welcome back to the channel, guys. This is LiquidOcelot. Guys, today I'm going to do a video on 9gag versus Reddit. So 9gag, your daily dose of funny memes, gifs, videos and weird news stories. We deliver hundreds of new memes daily and much more humor anywhere you go. So this is basically famous for memes website, and as you can see, the global ranking is 395, which is not bad. It was created created in Hong Kong, and you can see the industry is humor, arts and entertainment. Bounce rate is very average, visit duration is very good, 948. And let's compare the two, my friends. So the global rank is 395, whereas Reddit is 19, and country rank for Germany, they are showing for Germany is 124 and for Reddit is 38. Worldwide visits, 9gag is 386.2 million visits and Reddit is 5.17 billion visits. So obviously Reddit is more popular website than 9gag, and it has got more visits. The top countries for United States. Reddit 0.9% of traffic comes from United States, which is very strange, to be honest. 2% from United Kingdom for 9gag and 98% from the most traffic. It's coming from almost 20% from Germany and 80% to Reddit. So guys, this is the comparison. One more thing I have to add, that recently 9gag has disallowed sharing YouTube links as posts. So this is very bad news for us, my friends. You cannot share YouTube links anymore on 9gag. So please subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell icon for future notification. Thanks for watching, my friends. I'll be signing out. Take care.